All right, it's time. It's time to get this V6 all-wheel drive set up out of the wagon. And it's time to get that little gem in the wagon. So I'm gonna set the tripod up. Got it set up on this side. And I'm gonna do a time lapse of me taking the engine, starting to take the engine, trans, front K member, everything out. No longer will we be at 3.6. We're going to a 401 cubic inch. Got the exhaust taken down. I left the mufflers intact, both sides. I may tie the exhaust system into it. I need to take the drive shaft down. It's 3 bolts. These, I believe those are E-Torx bolts. And I'm actually probably gonna take it off here at the flange and just leave the flange, take this whole rubber isolator down. And I gotta take the heat shield down. I think it's a carrier bearing in the middle. And then after I do that, I have the 4 bolts that hold the trans cross member, and then the 6 bolts that hold the K member. And she should come out. So the V6 is out, or coming out. This is the fuel lines. This is the one that was going to the back that was hard to get to. It's the evap. Am I getting that? Am I getting that? Okay. And again, we got the heater hoses up there, 1 electrical connector over there, 3 over there. You got the 2, the blue and the gray one, black and the gray one, and then the pressure switch. And then, like I thought, the brake lines come down. They go up with the body. So I didn't have to disconnect the ABS module. And the brake lines go off and they go over to calipers. You can see, I don't know if you can see that line right there. I end up putting the caliper on the back side. So now, technically, with the dolly in the back and these dollies up front, and I'll use the jack to help me because the all-wheel drive setup is really heavy. I actually cracked that one already, but I'll get a jack up under it and I'll start wheeling this out. I think I'm up high enough where I can clear the struts.